Hey guys, working on a 2007 Toyota Tundra with the 4.7 liter V8, and we are having a P0102 code, a mass or value, I'm assuming mass airflow sensor A, circuit low. I don't know about the vehicle speed sensor, but it says system 2 lean, bank 1 and bank 2. If the mass airflow sensor is failed or has failed, this will kind of make the car run a little funky. It'll throw off the air-fuel ratio because it may be giving the car inaccurate air rating, so that could cause the car to run lean. The owner did say that the car was kind of running like it wanted to stall. It was running kind of funky. So let us replace this mass airflow sensor here and hopefully clear the codes out. Hopefully this fixes our problem. Alright, and this is our air box right here. Usually right after your air filter, your mass airflow sensor is right here. Now this takes Phillips head, so we got to be very, very careful here. I think this is going away from me. Oh, let's do this. Pull the sensor out like that. Move that to the side. And now, if you're lucky, a lot of times these do not come out easy. Just be careful. And there's another one on the bottom. I hate these Phillip heads. A lot of times these do not come out. Very lucky today. Okay, she's coming out. If you're scared you're gonna drop it, get a magnet underneath, so if anything falls, you can catch it. Because this may be hard to find if it hits the engine bay. Okay, good. And then the last one is right here. And it pulls out like that. And if you're looking at the new sensor, notice it says Hitachi. So we're going to replace it with the original Hitachi sensor. Don't do anything else. I wouldn't go with anything else. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now just remember, I don't think you can install it wrong, but the sensor reads like this. So it needs to go in here. Airflow comes like that. So you're going to drop it in here like that. I'm going to retighten these down. And I'm going to come here and just reinstall this sensor like that. Another thing to check for is just make sure that your intake boot, isn't like busted or like cracked or anything. If air leaks out of here, the mass airflow sensor will think that it's getting, it's going to say it's getting a certain amount of air, and then air will be leaking out, which can cause a lean code. But it's all one piece here. Nothing looks like it's wrong. So it's getting the car cleared out, and we're going to start her up, take it for a ride. I will say this engine has 210,000 miles, so this mass airflow sensor definitely did its job. Got his money's worth. And let's erase these codes. All lean codes and mass airflow sensor code. Yes. Cool. Let's start her up. Okay, I'm gonna let her run, take her for a ride, and make sure she's driving straight. Thanks for watching, you guys.